A lot of people have already started receiving the Tesla tiny house, which you can easily order from the website. Imagine paying only $7,999 for a cozy 280 square foot living space. Enough room for 2 people. Elon Musk announced that Tesla will start mass delivering these tiny houses next year, beginning in the US, New Mexico, and Canada. But what's really exciting is that Tesla is offering financial support covering the entire cost of the house and land for 2 years. This means you can finance 100% of the cost without putting any money down up front. Until recently, few knew Tesla was diving into real estate. Over 1,000 orders have already been placed, though only about 50 houses have been delivered so far. Expect many more deliveries soon. Early customers say the tiny house feels much more spacious than expected, and that setup is incredibly fast, taking only a few hours. Seeing the house in person is impressive. It's truly compact, but unfolds quickly into surprisingly spacious rooms with ceilings over 9 feet high, making it feel open and livable. You can order yours now, but be prepared to wait a few weeks to a month for delivery. So what makes this tiny house so special? For starters, the design is simple and thoughtful, making the entire process smooth and efficient. You might wonder why Tesla, known for electric cars and energy products, is entering the housing market. Elon Musk explained in last year's Q4 earnings call that affordable housing is a big upcoming challenge since billions can't afford a home. Tesla has the resources to create affordable small houses that can become a profitable new business alongside electric vehicle production. Elon Musk didn't jump blindly into this project. He lived for over 3 months in a tiny 375 square foot house in Texas, near SpaceX's Starbase, using it as his home, office, and place to host guests. After this trial, Musk confirmed that the tiny house is just as comfortable as traditional homes despite the smaller size, providing the green light for Tesla to start manufacturing their tiny houses. The Tesla tiny house is much more than drywall and ordinary materials. Elon Musk shared that this project was a completely new beginning for Tesla, with no existing factory lines for these houses in Nevada, requiring Tesla to build the machinery and assembly lines from scratch. This explains why delivery started slowly even though orders began in 2022. Manufacturing is fully automated and precise. CNC machines cut wall panels for every room. Robotic welders assemble steel frames, and insulation is sprayed to ensure airtightness. Tesla engineers call their process house manufacturing because it's built like an industrial product, very different from traditional on-site construction. Tesla uses composite panels with an EPS foam core sandwiched between magnesium oxide boards, which are fireproof, termite-resistant, soundproof, and highly insulating. The main frame is lightweight galvanized steel for strength and ease of folding. Tesla compresses the panels together with over 250,000 pounds of force to create ultra-durable modules about 6 meters by 2.6 meters in size. Each tiny house module comes pre-equipped with electrical wiring, plumbing, HVAC, lighting, and basic furnishings before it leaves the factory. It's basically plug and play once it reaches your site. It just needs unfolding and connection to utilities. For an upgrade, Tesla offers solar roofs, Powerwall batteries, and smart home controls via their app, making the house fully energy self-sufficient and sustainable. The entire building and shipping process is rapid. Each house folds into a compact block for easy transport on Tesla semi-trucks or by shipping containers overseas. Thanks to a special hinge design and anti-deformation joints, unfolding the house takes about an hour with no heavy equipment needed. Installation on-site is streamlined. Engineers position the modules on fold walls, raise the roof, secure the frame, and connect power and plumbing. This happens in just 2 to 3 hours. The house is built to last about 16 years before needing major renovations, with all materials stress-tested for fire resistance, waterproofing, mold-proofing, and corrosion resistance. Being lightweight at around 6,000 pounds, the Tesla tiny house won't withstand extreme events like hurricanes or floods like traditional homes, but its reinforced shell protects it from most weather conditions. For under $8,000, You get a surprisingly livable 280 square foot space with a cozy, open layout divided into 4 zones and a ceiling height over 9 feet, perfect for 2 or 3 people. The modular design is another strong point. You can connect units side by side or stack them up to create 2 or 3-story homes suitable for families of up to 5. Need an office or extra bedroom? Just add more modules horizontally or vertically. While expanding increases costs and setup time, the flexibility is pure Tesla innovation. This tiny home is a masterclass in minimalism and smart design. Every inch is optimized with no wasted space. At first, 280 square foot might sound tiny, but inside you'll find a bedroom, living room, kitchen, and bathroom, all separate rooms. The tall ceilings and open design make the space feel much larger. Inside, the warm, modern interior feels inviting and luxurious despite the compact size. The living room and bedroom combine into one space with a sofa that smoothly folds out into a double bed, complete with pillows and bedding stored neatly. There's even room for a 50-inch TV and shelves for books and decor, making the space feel cozy yet expansive. Tesla nailed the lighting with oversized double-pane windows that provide natural light while maintaining insulation. At night, energy-efficient LED lights create a soft, welcoming glow. Automated curtains maintain privacy with a tap on the Tesla app, seamlessly blending technology with comfort. The bathroom is surprisingly spacious for its size, with frosted glass doors, a glass showerhead, a minimalist sink, and a modern, low-profile toilet, all made from high-quality, stain-resistant materials to keep the space fresh and neat. The kitchen is compact but incredibly clever. It includes an induction cooktop, built-in oven, compact refrigerator, and even a mini dishwasher. Cabinets maximize storage with layered designs, and a fold-down dining table seats too, and can be stowed away to keep the minimalist vibe intact. Tesla added a built-in ventilation and purification system to keep air fresh, filtering out cooking odors and dust continuously. Though it's perfect for 2 people or a clutter-free lifestyle, a larger family might find it tight. But with the modular expansion option, this tiny house can grow into a full family home, adding space without sacrificing style, sustainability, or Tesla's signature design. Power-wise, for a few $1,000s more, you can add a solar roof and Powerwall battery system, enabling the house to generate and store its own clean energy, all controlled through the Tesla app. This upgrade allows use of AC, induction cooktop, washer, and even EV charging completely off-grid. Additional features like rainwater harvesting, gray water recycling, and waste treatment make the house a completely self-sustaining ecosystem.